What's up, Edit Fam? Darren asked me to vlog for him today because he's not, so I'm going to Costco. I'll update you later. Bye. Alright guys, so we went to Costco. We didn't get everything we needed though, so we're gonna go to a local grocery store. It's called Harmon's, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna get the rest of what we need. If they don't have what we need, we're gonna go to Walmart, so that'll be pretty sick. I'll update you guys after. See ya. Alright, bad news, print fam. Harmon's didn't have what we needed, so we have to go to Walmart. Also, these hoes be out here driving really bad. So that's pretty good for us. We can finally go, but we have to go to Walmart, which sucks big peen. So, I guess I don't know if Darren will allow that in the video, but I edit it, so whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so we're back home from the store now. Back home from the store. We're gonna help my friend pack up the rest of his stuff. We moved here like a year or so ago. He still has some stuff at his parents' house, so we're gonna go grab the rest of that today. This is the computer that I edit on, so it's pretty sick, I guess. It's my tattoo. It's pretty sick, I guess. My life's not as cool as Darren's, so I'm sorry it's gonna be super lame. Alright, so we grabbed the rest of Justin's stuff, so we're able to go back home now. We're gonna go home. We're gonna cook up probably some steak, have some dinner. It'll be nice. We're gonna stop at a gas station first, get some drinks. It'll be sick. Also, I had to do like 18 printing jobs today. Did I meet my goal? You'll have to find out at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back home. We're watching some Professional League Legends. We're making dinner. So, check back later, see if I met my goal today. Wait, come back. Alright, so come back later, see if I met my goal today. Mwah. Got him. Alright, so we're about 20 minutes away from a pond. We're gonna go drive 20 minutes to the pond, and we're gonna fly a drone, so you'll see that. Alright, so I forgot to say this in the actual vlog itself, so I'm going to say it now. This footage comes from my friend's YouTube channel, actually. If you want to check it out, the whole video, link in the description. It's pretty cool. He has 3 videos up right now. So if you want to check that out, we're going to have more drone videos coming soon. Like I said, if you want to check that out, cool. If not, cool. Anyway, back to the video. Alright guys, it's 1:20 in the morning, almost 2 o'clock club. I got a little bit of work I have to do, so I'm probably going to be hitting 2 o'clock. Before I go though, did I meet my goal? Drum roll, Cameron. Just kidding, don't add it, please. Yes, I met my goal. I have a goal of $0. I brought in $0 today. I met my goal. So that's pretty exciting, you know. First day vlogging, meet my goal. That's pretty sick. We had a friend come over today. That was pretty fun. I've known him for a while. He came down to our house, just kind of played Jackbox games for a little while. We watched some TV, you know, just kind of hung out. Anyway, I met my goal, so good day. Went shopping, so we don't have to do that till next week, so that's really nice. I think that's it. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Darren will be back, not tomorrow because he doesn't vlog on Sundays, but Darren will be back the day after tomorrow. I'm sorry you have to end the vlog week with me. Apologize. I know it's not something you would like prefer to do, so anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. again, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time Darren uploads a video, edited by yours truly. Thanks, Cam, for editing. Appreciate all you do. See ya.